bin just flirted specialty pits, organic sanic to sempens weidachlein. Carbohydrates are organic compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Blood pressure measurement requires precise technique and accurate readings. Excuse me, tutor, can you review heart sounds again? Certainly. Let's look at heart sounds. Monosaccharides, simple sugars. Glucose fuels the brain. Disaccharides like sucrose. Polysaccharides, starch, glycogen, fiber. Two sugar units linked together like sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Polysaccharides, complex carbohydrates. Understanding the building blocks of nursing, like basic patient care, is essential. We'll start with assessment, vital signs, and infection control. Understanding the building blocks of nursing, like basic patient care, is essential. We'll start with assessment, vital signs, and infection control. The heart is the muscular organ that pumps blood through the circulatory system. Monitoring vital signs like heart rate is crucial for patient assessment. The citric acid cycle converts glucose to ATP. With adequate carbs, protein's role is tissue building. The heart sounds are key. Listen carefully for S1, the closure of mitral and tricuspid valves. Through glycolysis and the citric acid cycle, glucose is converted into ATP, powering our bodies.
Dietary fiber adds blood to stool and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and diverticulosis. Nurses must monitor blood glucose levels twice. Hyperglycemia is a hallmark of diabetes mellitus. While hyperglycemia can lead to immediate neurological distress.
If carbohydrates are severely restricted, the body breaks down fats into ketones. While sometimes therapeutic, uncontrolled ketosis is a medical emergency. Cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained through diet. Can be produced by the body from other precursors. Proteins provide 4 kilocalories by grams but are rarely used for energy unless stores of other macronutrients are exhausted. Essential for wound healing, muscle development, and cellular turnover. Nearly all enzymes are proteins that catalyze biochemical reactions.
Insulin, growth hormones, and antibodies are all essential protein-based elements that support our bodies. Antibodies specifically. The plasma proteins, especially albumin, maintain oncotic pressure, crucial for preventing fluid from leaking into tissues. Intake greater than excretion, this is a positive nitrogen balance. Necessary for recovery, remember that. A negative balance indicates tissue wasting or catabolism. High protein diets are essential for patients. Understanding pressure ulcer stages is critical for effective treatment and tissue granulation. Patients with chronic kidney disease need protein restriction to reduce renal workload. On the kidneys bay, the most common form of fat in food and the body. Major components of cell membranes. Next, we'll discuss the assessment and vital signs in detail. The liver uses cholesterol to create bile acids, which help us digest fats. And steroid hormones like estrogen and testosterone? Let's review the difference between saturated and unsaturated fats. Saturated are solid at room temp, like butter.
Coconut oil?
Yes, that's correct. The primary form of stored energy is in adipose tissue. Subcutaneous fat regulates body temperature, while visceral fat cushions internal organs. Too much of it can lead to various health risks. Now, let's discuss basic patient care. Vitamins A, D, E, and K require lipids for transport and absorption in the gut. Cholesterol provides stability and fluidity to cell walls. Nurses interpret HDL, LDL, and triglycerides to assess cardiovascular risk. Excess saturated and trans fats contribute to plaque buildup in arteries, leading to hypertension. This is a primary risk factor for a myocardial infarction. Total parenteral nutrition often includes lipid emulsions. Nurses must monitor fat overload syndrome closely for any complications. Understanding these ratios and their biological impacts allows you to provide better nutritional support and improve patient outcomes.